Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the measurement model. This is Adanco software. Previous video we talk about how to import a data, right? We imported a data as well as in this model we are going to run it and we will see the measurement model. This is the Adanco software, right? We imported a data. Now we will go for run and path. This is the default. We will go for complete one, right? Maximum number of interaction 200. We will go for factor. Case wise deletion we will select here, and we generate a seeds, random generate the seed. Use bootstrapping as well as assessment, generate bootstrapping seed, right? Seeds bootstrapping sample you can increase 1999 or 299, right? As well as default setting, yeah, complete setting where we are going for that. Edit profile, it shows the scores. We have selected complete profile, standardize, construct score and standardize. Outer model we are having the construct reliability, convergent, discriminant, formal and lack criteria we are talking about STMT1, and discriminant validity we are talking about STMT ratio for correlation. Loadings, indicator reliability, cross loading, weightage, they will provide all the results, complete results, right? Structure we selected all the information, R square, path coefficient, total effect, indirect effect, it intercorrelation, define parameters. So this is, we save it, right? And save and run. It will take few seconds to run the model. So now model is running and they are showing the relationship in this model, organization culture, right? That is positively associated 0.048 with significant with employee engagement, as well as employee engagement is positively correlated with the job satisfaction 0.029, as well as culture is, we are talking about 0.046 positively correlated with job satisfaction. So in this model we are talking about, we are having the option, we can show indicator, right? We can hide indicator, whatever the indicator we are having, we hide all of the indicator, right? We hide it. If you want to hide the indicator, you can. Again you will click it, show indicator. So this is the options we are having. Where we are having the complex model, we will go for that, right? As well as we can present it the information this way. So here we are talking about measurement model. In measurement we are having the criteria. Already we have seen the criteria, but we are having the few these criteria which you reported in the research paper. Indicator loading greater than 0.07, composite reliability greater than 0.07, countback alpha greater than 0.07, AV average variance extracted greater than 0.05, discriminative validity square root of AV greater than correlation, cross loading, okay, that should be low. Okay, STMT ratio, that should be STMT that is related to 0.085, that should be less than 0.085. Variance inflammation factor VIF less than 0.5. These are the criteria we have to in measurement model. Now we will see that. View, show results. This is our model. Here we can show the results. Organization culture related to the job satisfaction as well as employee engagement, and employee engagement related to the job satisfaction. Firstly we will go for model. Here we are having the S standardized RMR, SRMR, that is 0.027, right? That is less than 0.08. D ULS, that is 0.264. DG is 0.0197. All the values is green, which indicated that there is no issues of this goodness of fit model. Goodness of fit estimated model, we will talk about 0.07. These value we have seen that, right? This is 95 as well as 99 level. We have that is showing for that. Culture to measure, we are having the 10 item to measure for that. Employee engagement, we are having the 9 item, as well as job satisfaction, we are having the 7 item. Here we are talking about construct reliability. So we are having the various reliability, Cronbach alpha, as well as new other parameters we are talking about. These are the parameters, right? Where we are talking about these is related to the reliability. Then we come to talked about convergent reliability. We are talking about AV should be greater than 0.0, 0.5. Here is 0.604, which is greater than 0.5, as well as 0.95 as 0.60. Discriminant validity, HT, heterotate monotate ratio of correlation, right? इसके बाद हम देखते हैं HTMT1, which is less than 0.085. So no issue for discriminant validity. Here we are talking about discriminant validity HTMT2, right? Is also 0.477, 0.595, as well as 0.510, which is less than 0.85. Some books it mention it 0.09. Fornell and Locker criteria, discriminant validity, right? This value should be greater than in lower these greater than these value, as these values should be lower than organizational culture. Suppose organizational culture value is 604, these values should be less than 604. Here we are talking about 595. So here we will see that these value less than 0.595, as well as these value also is less than 0.595. This way we will evaluate the discriminant validity. These are the loading, very good loading, right? Here we will see that clear loading will be there, so it's not a issue at all. And these are the indicator reliability, and these are the cross loading. If you see that the cross loading is higher, here we are talking about these are the cross loading, only this culture, right? Here we are talking about these are the engagement, these are the satisfaction, these are the weights. Multicolority, right? We can see that multicolority here is less than 5, is not a issue at all. So these all the things we will report in measurement model. All these things we are reporting for measurement model. So in this way we are talking about measurement model. Again, here we will show the indicators, right? Show indicators. Here we are talking about show indicators. Here we are talking about show indicators. We have seen that in measurement model.